Now we're going to send an MFHF distress alert. First, we need to choose menu. Then go to arrow down. Then press OK. Go arrow down for number 4 distress. So there's alert and relay. Press OK. Then you need to choose the SSB telephony instead of FEC. So SSB telephony, press OK. Then we need to choose the nature of distress, for example grounding. Press OK. Then press OK again. Then we need to press the distress button for 3 seconds by uncovering the distress button, then press for 3 seconds. Then the instructor, we're going to check the cost registration. If it is successfully sent, then there you go. To send a distress relay via MF and HF, press menu. Then we need to choose DSC call, press OK. Then number 4 distress, press OK. Then we need to choose relay, press OK. Then we need to send it via area. So we need to choose the radius of the area where it is to be sent. If you want specific ship, you need to send the MMSI of the specific ship. For example, this is the MMSI. Press OK. So you need to choose SSB telephony, then the nature of distress of the vessel in distress. For example, sinking. Press OK, then press send, then press yes to send. The instructor, we're going to check now if it is successfully sent. So to send a safety alert only, no? In MFHF, first press menu, then DSC call, press OK. Then you are going to choose area, number 3, press OK. Then you may change the radius of the area. Then you are the center where the safety will be sent. Press OK. Then on category, you will choose safety. Press OK. And then in mode, you need to choose SSB telephony. Press OK. Then OK again. Then you can choose select frequency. If you want 2187.5 receive and transmit, so you may press OK. Then the instructor now going to check if it is successfully sent. So there you go. Now to send an urgency alert only in MFHF, press menu, then DSC call, press OK. Then choose area, press OK. Then you may also change the radius again if you want, and press OK. Then in category, of course, you're going to choose urgency. Press OK. Then in mode, still will be in SSB telephony. Press OK. Now in selecting DSC frequency, you may change 4,000, 6,000. So in here, we're going to choose 2,000. Press OK, then send. Now we're going to check if it is successfully sent. There you go. It is successfully sent. Urgency alert. So to send a distress alert via VHF, first we need to choose or press menu, then choose DSC call number 1, press OK, and number 4 emergency, press OK. Then number 1 compose distress, press OK. Then we need to choose the nature of distress, for example grounding, then press OK. Then uncover the distress button and press for 5 seconds. There you go. So the instructor will now check if it is successfully sent. So it will indicate the vessel of the or the name of the vessel and the time it was successfully sent, including the description grounding. Now we are going to acknowledge a distress alert via VHF. First, we need to press menu, then choose DSC call, press OK, then choose emergency, press OK, and then choose compose distress acknowledge, press OK. If you know the MMSI of the vessel in distress, just press OK, and then you need to enter the MMSI of the vessel in distress. To accept, press OK, and then you need to choose the nature of distress of the vessel in distress. For example, she's on fire. Then, if you know the position, you may change it, including the time of the vessel in distress it was sent. So just press OK and then OK again. Then the instructor will going to check if it is successfully sent by checking if the name of the vessel and the message is indicated. Now we're going to make a distress relay via VHF. First press menu, then choose DSC call, then choose emergency. Press OK, then choose compose relay. Press OK, then distress relay. Press OK, then you need to choose all ship. Press OK. So known MMSI means you know the MMSI of the vessel in distress. So you need to enter it. For example, this is the MMSI of the vessel in distress. Press OK to accept, including the nature of distress. For example, fire. Then you may also change the position of vessel in distress if you know, including the time. Just press OK to accept. Then OK again. So to check if it is successfully sent, it needs to be indicated on the instructor's monitor. So to create an urgency alert via VHF, first press menu, then choose DSC call, press OK, then choose number 4 by arrow down, emergency, press OK, then choose compose urgency, press OK. You may choose all ship or individual. At this time, choose all ship, press OK. Radio telephony, ship, aircraft, medical transport, just choose if whatever you want. At this time, choose 1, press OK, then enter working channel. At this time, choose 16, just for example, then press OK and OK again, and it will be automatically transmitted. There you go. Now to compose a safety alert via VHF, first press menu, then choose DSC call, press OK, and then choose number 4, emergency, press OK, and then of course number 3, compose safety, press OK. You may choose all ship or individual. This time choose all ship, press OK, then again enter working channel. For example 16, press OK to accept, then OK again to transmit. So to check, the instructor will go into the monitor of the coast rescue station if your safety alert was transmitted. So to make a distress alert and call via Iridium, first press menu, then go to distress setting, then press enter, then check if it is in automatic, then press enter, then choose nature of distress, for example sinking, then press enter, then press back, go to position setting. You need to check if it is an automatic GMDSS. Press back, then you can now press the distress button for 5 seconds. There you go. To check, the instructor will go to the monitor if it is indicated that you successfully transmitted. You may now lift up the handset to call. Just press to talk. So press RCC. There you go. So it will indicate on the monitor that you successfully connected. Now to make an urgency alert and call via Iridium, first press safety messages, choose urgency, press enter, then you need to type an urgency message, by pressing the key button, then press send. Then you will be automatically sent to the nearest RCC. So the RCC will go into process it, then they will call you. So to call the RCC, just lift up, then reset it. Just press menu and choose safety call and urgency, then enter. It will automatically connect it to the nearest RCC. Then to connect, just lift up the handset and press the talk. To send a safety alert and safety call via Iridium, first choose safety, press enter. Then you need to type a safety alert message by pressing the key letter. Then you need to press send. It will automatically send to the nearest RCC because it is set into automatic. Now the RCC will going to process it now, so they will be able to call you. Now to connect to the RCC, nearest RCC, just choose safety call, then select safety, and then press enter. Then you may lift up the handset to connect to the RCC.